keep it inside that white stripe. Let's just go ahead and give that another try. That's the stuff. And you're also going to receive feedback on your swing timing, and that's the meter that kind of wraps around the top of your swing accuracy indicator. Your backswing timing refers to the point at which you transition from backswing into downswing. If you do this too early, you're going to reduce the power of your shot. If you do it too late, you're going to add power but increase the difficulty of the swing. Your downswing timing refers to how quickly you flick that swing stick forward. If your downswing is too fast, you'll hook it, and if it's too slow, you'll slice it. Let's try to get perfect timing on this next swing. That was well done. Congratulations, you've got the basics down pat. Can't wait to see you use some of these lessons out on the course. In this lesson, we're going to talk about one of the most important skills you can have at your disposal, and that is putting. Now, to begin your putt, pull back on the swing stick. The farther you pull back, the stronger your putt will be. The backswing meter at the bottom of your screen is going to give you a target for where your strength should be. Now, as you pull back, wait until the indicator white part of your backswing meter and then press. Well done on that lesson. The putt weight is hard. You hit your putt. Set your putt weight aim marker to away from you. The further the marker is, the putt will be. Since this putt, we'll want to ease up on our weight marker a little bit by pulling down on the aim stick and then have a go at this putt. We're looking for. Those moving dots on the grid are telling us that your putt break to the right. You're going to have to left to compensate. Use the aim stick to make movements before putting. So pop this one in the hole. Well, that didn't quite out. Let's give that another go. All right, that didn't pan out. Let's give it another go. Quite. Let's try that again. Good job. That's what we're looking for. And with that, hello and welcome to this lesson where we will talk about clubs and shot types. I show you how to make the most of what's in your golf bag with a few simple tricks. Okay, so for this shot, you're hitting into the wind. This means you are going to have to club up, or in other words, use a longer club. So let's press the change club button until you get to the pitching wedge, then just pop this shot onto the green. Well, no need to linger on this lesson. Now, it's only a matter of time before you find yourself in a situation where the normal shot type is going to do. Now, to get on the green from here, you are going to need a chip shot. Press the change until you get to the chip shot. Chip that ball nice and close to the pin with your... Well, you've got the hang of this one. Information about the current lie of your ball is available always in the top right corner of the screen. This will give you a range of how much spin and power your shot will retain, and then you can adjust your shot accordingly. For a particular situation, change our club to the then change our shot, blast shot, which is a great shot for getting out of these. After that, get close. Well, And now that you know, welcome to the lesson on advanced shots. In this lesson, we're going to learn about techniques you're going to want to master if you want to compete with the pros. In this situation, I need to take a partial swing. If you chip this, it's going to blow right by the hole. So we are going to move our aim marker us to compensate. Closer to you, see if you can get about a 75 backswing meter at the screen. Dial in the proper this chip. Great work. Looks like you've got the hang of that. You're going to come across situations like this one where you want to adjust the spin and lock shot. In this case, we want to land our softly without a hole, and for that, we need to add some hold shot button and move your aim stick to increase your backspin. Have a go at this pin and see if you can land it nice and soft and close. Not quite there, is it? Let's try again. Not quite. Let's try that one again. Not quite. Let's try that again. That should probably be tried again. We'll chalk that one up as a success. Applying a fade or draw to your golf shot is a great tool to have at your disposal. By holding down the true shot button and moving the aim stick to the left, you can apply a fade. By moving the aim stick right, you can apply a draw to the ball flight. To complete this lesson, apply a fade to your next shot and watch that ball curl gently back into the middle of the driving range. Nice work. This is the end of the advanced shots tutorial. If you want to get even more advanced, you can always go to the profile menu and tweak your club selection in your golf bag. Either way, it's going to take a lot of practice to get used to these advanced techniques, and I can't wait to see how your career progresses as you explore the game. Well, this is where we part ways, my young Padawan. All that's left for you is to choose a difficulty level and then customize your